Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making watan, otherwise known as curry paste. So for the watan, you'll need coconut, coriander, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and onions. Then chop everything and roast the coconut and onion. Then mix everything and add a portion of the mixture into a grinder. You will need to grind this for a couple of minutes or until it starts to turn into a paste. Also, add water as needed to gain the right texture and consistency. Once you're done grinding, get ice cube trays and spoon the watan into the trays. These watan cubes are really useful for when you are in a rush. They still give you that quality taste, but in a much shorter amount of time. Then put clear plastic wrap on the trays. Finally, put these trays in the fridge for 1 day so that they can freeze properly. After it has been 1 day, take them out and remove the plastic wrap. Get a freezer-safe Ziploc bag and put your watan cubes into the Ziploc bag. Then put them back into the freezer until you need them again. Expect to see some recipes with these cubes soon. See you next time!